Students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Dear students, in the previous video we done classification of triangles, and in this video we will learn how to solve exercise 5.6. Now here we have name the types of following triangle. We have to write the type of triangle here. Triangle with length of side 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter. Here all the sides are different. If all the sides are different, so this is your scalene triangle. Now next, triangle ABC with AB 8.7 centimeter, AC 7 centimeter and BC 6 centimeter. Again, all the sides are different. So this is also your scalene triangle. Now next we have triangle PQR such that PQ is equals to QR is equals to PR is equals to 5 centimeter. It means all the sides are equal. If you have all equal sides in a triangle, then the triangle is called equilateral triangle. Now next you have triangle DEF with measure of angle D is 90. If one angle is of 90 degree, it means your triangle is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Now next you have triangle XYZ with measure of Y 90 degree and XY equals to YZ. It means one angle is of 90 degree and two sides are equal. If one angle is of 90 degree and two sides are equal, then this is isosceles right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. As equal side isosceles 90 degree right, so this is isosceles right angle triangle. Now next you have triangle LMN with measure of angle L 30 degree, measure of angle M 70 degree and measure of angle N 80 degree. As in this question all the angles are less than 90, acute angle, so your triangle is acute angled triangle. So this is all about question number 1. In this question you have to write the types of the triangles. Okay, now next we have second question. Second question is match the following. In this you have to match it. Measure of triangle is given to you. Type of triangle is given to you. Now here we have 3 sides of equal length, means all the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal, then this is your equilateral triangle. So here I am writing first is E part. If all the sides are equal, then it is your equilateral triangle. Two sides of equal length. If two sides are equal, then this is your isosceles triangle. So here second is G part. Then all sides of different length. All the sides are different. So this is your scalene triangle. So here third is your A part. Then 3 acute angles. If 3 acute angles are there, so this is your acute angled triangle. So fourth you have F part. Then next you have one right angle. If you have one right angle, so this is your right angled triangle. So fifth you have D part. The next one obtuse angle. So it is clear this is obtuse angled triangle. So sixth is your C part. And seventh is one right angle with two sides of equal length. One right angle with two sides of equal length, that is isosceles right angled triangle. So seventh is B part. So this is all about match the following, and this match the following is based upon the classification of the triangles. Now next we have question number 3. Question number 3 is name each of the following triangles in 2 different ways. In 2 different ways means firstly you have to write the name on the basis of sides, then on the basis of angles. If on the basis of sides, this triangle is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. This is on the basis of side. If on the basis of angle, I assume all the angles are less than 90. Here, acute angle triangle, as these two angles are equal, base angles are equal. So first is isosceles triangle and second is acute angled triangle. Now next you have B part. In B part, firstly we have to write on the basis of side. If I write on the basis of side, all the sides are different. So this is your scale length triangle. Scale length triangle, you can use the symbol of triangle also. And second is, this is 90 degrees. So this is your right angled triangle. So this is C part. Here C part, if I write on the basis of side, as two sides are equal, so here we have isosceles triangle. And this is clear that this angle is greater than 90 degree. So if an angle is greater than 90 degrees, so this is your obtuse angled triangle. So this is your A, B and C part. Now next we have this D part. Here D part, in this two sides are equal. So this is your isosceles triangle, and second is we have right angle, that is second is on the basis of angle we can say that right angled triangle. Then E part, in E part all the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal, so we can say that equilateral triangle. And as we know, all the angles are less than 90. So here we have acute angled triangle. So this is your E part. Now next we have F part. Here you have all have different sides. If all the sides are different, we can say that scale length triangle. And second, as we know that this angle is greater than 90, so we can say that obtuse angled triangle. So here I just name the triangle on the basis of sides as well as on the basis of angles.